Hello everyone. Today we are going to see grammar modal auxiliaries. Modals are auxiliary verbs which help other verbs in the formation of sentences. Modal auxiliaries present all kinds of moods in sentences. There are two kinds of auxiliaries. One, primary auxiliaries, and two, modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries are called secondary auxiliaries too. 1. Primary auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries means helping verbs. There are three kinds of helping verbs: to do's helping verbs, to be's helping verbs, and to have's helping verbs. Do's helping verbs: do, does, did. These are used in simple tense. Do and does are used in simple present tense and did is used in simple past tense. Second, be's helping verbs or primary auxiliaries are used in continuous tense. Am, is, are used in present continuous tense, whereas was, were are used in past continuous tense. Third, to have's helping verbs: have, has, had. To have's helping verbs are used in perfect tense. Have and has are used in present perfect tense, whereas had is used in past perfect tense. These all are the primary auxiliaries or helping verbs. For example, she does not like cooking. Does is a primary auxiliary. Example number 2, I am working hard. Am is a primary auxiliary. Example 3, he has done work. Here, has is a to have's primary auxiliary. Example number 4, we have played cricket. Here, have is a primary auxiliary. Example number 5, they had taught a lesson. Here, had is a to have's primary auxiliary. Here, two modal auxiliaries or secondary helping verbs. Verbs such as can, could, may, might, must, will, would, shall, should, ought to, used to, had to, need to, dare to, etc. are known as modal auxiliaries. These verbs do work as a secondary auxiliaries or secondary helping verbs. They are used as helping verbs. They show that something is possible, allowed, necessary, etc. They are used with the main verbs. Let's understand in detail modal auxiliaries and their uses. First modal auxiliary is can. Now let's see uses of can. Can shows power, ability, capacity. For example, I can sing a song. Here, can shows ability. Example number 2, he can lift 100 kgs weight. Here, can shows capacity. Second modal auxiliary is could. Uses of could. Could shows polite request, power, and ability. Example, could you help me? Here, could shows request. Example number 2, you could drive a car. Here, could shows ability. Third modal auxiliary is may. May shows permission, possibility, purpose, wish. For example, may you achieve success. Here, may shows wish. Second example, it may rain today. Here, may shows possibility. Auxiliary number 4, might. Uses of might. It shows remote possibility, permission, or possibility in the past. For example, the commander said that they might be attacked. Here, might shows possibility in past. Modal auxiliary number 5, ought to. Ought to shows moral obligation, strong possibility, unfulfilled duty or desire. For example, we ought to respect our elders. Here, ought to shows moral obligation. Modal auxiliary number 6, must. Must is used to show necessity, obligation, prohibition, certainty of belief. For example, she must look after her parents. Here, must shows obligation. Example number 2, she must be a teacher. Here, must shows certainty of belief. Auxiliary number 7, need. Need shows necessity, obligation, compulsion. For example, you need my guidance. Here, need shows necessity. Example number 2, the parents need support. Here, need shows obligation. Modal auxiliary number 8, will. Will is used to show determination, promise, threat, willingness. For example, I will kill you. Here, will shows threat. Example number 2, I will break the records. Here, will shows challenge or determination. Next modal auxiliary is would. Would shows past habit. For example, he would like to eat food. Here, would shows past habit. Modal auxiliary number 10, shall. Shall is used to show simple future tense, promise, willingness, determination. For example, I shall help you. Here, shall shows simple future tense. Next modal auxiliary is should. Should is used to show advice, suggestion, duty, obligation. For example, you should be disciplined. Here, should shows duty. Example number 2, you should take care of your parents. Here, should shows obligation. Now, I would like to give some questions in exercise for practice. Question number 1, pick out modal auxiliaries from the given sentences and state their functions. Sentence number 1, they need some money. Sentence 2, you must study hard. Sentence 3, you should be disciplined. Sentence 4, she could understand me. Question number 2, do as directed in the brackets. Sentence number 1, I have to work for my family members. Suggestion is use modal auxiliary showing obligation. Sentence number 2, be prepared always to pay the price. Suggestion is use modal auxiliary showing necessity. Students, you have to solve given questions and write their answers in your classwork. Thank you.